Hello, this is Lee with Streamlight introducing the upgraded Vantage helmet mounted flashlight. The light features a reflective tape and a blue taillight to improve personnel visibility in thick smoke. This light turns on very easily even with thick gloves. The Vantage light has high candela which cuts through the smoke. The Vantage is IPX7 rated, which is 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes. The Vantage mounts the helmets with either the set screw or the thumb screw that are included. The batteries can be replaced while it's still mounted underneath the helmet. Just want to tilt it, line it up with the window, open the door to replace the two CR123 batteries. When you're installing the new batteries, be sure to line up the polarity indicator on each side of the light with the battery. Then take the battery door and line up the notch on the bottom of the battery door in first. Pivot it close and close the clasp. For more information on the Vantage, visit our website or click the link in the description below.